Hey everybody, Dutchsinse here. 3:04 a.m. Central Time on Saturday, July 14th, 2012. And we're about 1 hour out East Coast time from the projected impact of this large solar flare, coronal mass ejection, and X-class flare that erupted and is heading towards Earth. Now it should be impacting any time now. They said, according to NASA, 5 a.m. Eastern Standard Time roughly. They upped it by 12 hours. It doubled in speed. It's very quick, large blast. Now this isn't going to fry us off the face of the earth, folks. It could cause electrical disruptions, also communications disruptions, but predominantly electrical disruptions. So in the heat of the day, those kind of things we do have to worry about, as well as unshielded electronic gear. May also be communication disruption, like I said, so cell phone disruption and even internet outages. So we need to be aware of that. Also need to be aware of the possible earthquake connection. So we need to be aware where the global ionospheric concentrations are occurring, and that is shown on, let me take you back over here to ARTIS. On the ARTIS site, as you scroll down here, they have different views. They have some maps that they'll show. And one of the maps that is very handy is the ionospheric map. This, of course, goes as the Earth rotates. So we can see the hot spots, and that's indicated by the megahertz detected. So we watch this. That sometimes shows us earthquake activity. And then also there's another ionospheric map here as well. I'll put the links down below for this and for several other sites. But this will show us pretty much all the different major sites all in one spot, so you can get different shots of the sun and the current images. Now also, one other thing I'd like to show you would be the proton flux. You can see obviously this large spike here, and that indicates the first incoming blast, which did start already, and it's carrying on into right now. Now we'll have to wait and see what occurs when the full brunt of this reaches us in the next few hours. Okay, so you should already have food and water, just in case power goes out. I'm not saying it's going to, but just in case, you should already have those things planned out and have made the preparations today. If you haven't already, maybe the time to go is now. Not trying to cause a panic, but they did talk about it on CNN and all the major channels. Okay, it's not just me. This is all over the news. So let's go back to the ARTIS site. That's the proton flux. You can also see the X-ray. Okay, again, large spike, same time, carrying on into the current point right now. Now, will it get larger? We don't know. We'll have to wait and see. Sometimes these things can pass by without hardly any impact. Notice the conditions are set to quiet. Now, that's not just ARTIS. We can go over to, I've got several different links. Let's go to the Canadian site, Space Weather Canada. All right, there we go. Polar zones quiet. So right now, all is quiet. That's good news. It could be the quiet before the storm, and it could go by and leave us unscathed. All right, folks? So hang in there. Much love. I'll put the links down below, and keep your eyes peeled for any outages, anything strange that doesn't appear to be normal, and watch for severe weather and earthquakes within a day or two of the impact of this storm. Okay?